Okay, here's the waffle. Ah! Where'd he go? I dropped a piece of waffle. No! Ah! I pressed the button by accident. Whoops. Wait, where did the piece of waffle go that I dropped? Where'd it go? Okay, anyway. I guess not. Anyway. Shut up, Cackle. For so long. Even it was yesterday. I mean long. Dude, 1 day. Not even. Luna, I don't think I should be eating 10 waffles this stream. I think it's a bit much. Do it for the bit. Is this my lunch today? Where did the piece of waffle that I dropped on the floor go though? I'm really wondering. Was it just a tiny piece here? No, it was not. Oh my god, it's so gone. It's so gone. Maybe just a half of them. Half of them sounds more reasonable. Oh, I found it! There it is. I shouldn't eat that. I was contemplating eating it. Because those are the sugary bits. Oh! Thank you, Ren. Wait, the notification. Yeah, it was barely there. You were 6 months, if you should kid. Roar waffle. What's intermediate contest? Well,